Hubbleroth and Clark has been working with the City of Troy for over 45 years. We have provided engineering services to the city on various projects. The City of Troy contacted us in 2007 in regards to a pond that was on the Civic Center property. This pond was filling up with sediment over the years, and it was becoming an aesthetic problem for the city, and they were looking for a way to make the pond look better.
Ann Vara, I'm the Executive Director with the Clinton River Watershed Council. In this particular case, what was there before wasn't working. There was no pre-treatment, there was no slowing down of the water, so this particular engineering design allowed for that to help slow down that water.
It was another experiment to see how a stream forms under these conditions. And yes, it saved a lot of money because we didn't have to haul out all that material, which is costly for hauling and then finding a place to dispose of the materials as well. When the dam was removed, this whole area now is high and dry and is gradually vegetating, and a small stream is going through it. It's really sort of a microcosm of larger dam removal projects, but on a much smaller scale.
What the engineering firm did is sort of meander the stream. So instead of a straight shot, it meandered and sort of went through sort of like a treatment train through the different native plants, and it helped cool the system down and prevent it from a straight stormwater shot into the river.
So far it's a very positive outcome. Fish passage was an important part of this project because there's a dam in place, and the culverts that went under the roadways there in the Civic Center, those were also replaced because they were perched, so they were elevated so that fish couldn't move through the stream in that location. Without those impediments to fish movement, we did see that fish were swimming through the project area, which they had not been able to do before.
The Clinton River Watershed is 760 square miles. It covers half of Oakland County and almost all of Macomb, and there are 1.5 million people that live in our watershed, which makes it the most populated watershed in the state of Michigan. The city of Troy is a very big city, and that area right in the public space is a great project for the public to view the right way to do things. And some of those aspects of that project they can take and bring right to their own home. You know, that's where it really needs to start, with the kids, educating the children, having them see that. Maybe they'll get lucky enough to see some fish swimming upstream in the city of Troy. That would be pretty cool.
The cost for this project was estimated at $1.5 million. This NOAA grant was going to contribute approximately $1 million, with the remaining amount covered by the City of Troy of $500,000. This results in $1 million savings for Troy by acquiring the NOAA grant.
When we get a grant, a proposal, we look to see, is this a team effort, who's on the team, and are they covering everything? This project had a good team.
Yeah, I think in this day and age, you can't work in a silo. You have to work regionally, and you have to work in partnership with a team of people, a team of experts that can help bring the project together.
It can be an example of what we can do elsewhere in the watershed.